On the phone they act one way, but what they write is totally different. I mean, what does she know? Huh, bubble-headed. They're not even in color.
Well, oh, intruder alert.
What are you talking about?
I'm serious. Intruder alert.
Stop it and send in the Clydes. What is...
The hull has been breached. In the aft, on the 49th level, starboard side. I've sealed it off.
I'm going out there. Right through the hole. We know where it is?
No idea. It doesn't show up. There's massive system disruption back there.
Any idea what it is?
No.
Okay, well, the hole is sealed, but keep the doors closed. I'm gonna go down there and check this thing out.
For episode 2 of The Intruder. Dragon Ball Z is next.
Those lights are out.
They shouldn't be.
Hit the emergency lights.
For episode 3 of The Intruder.
You guys, let's move in!
Dragon Ball Z is next.
jetpack out here?
On the way. What happened?
No idea. Let's see it.
The whole thing?
Yeah. Hey, you know where it is?
Yes, it's still on 49, but it's kind of on 48 and 50.
What?
It's growing.
Okay.
It keeps eating the glides.
Okay. Man, could have been handled better. This is the weirdest day. What does this thing want?
Tough to say. It ate through the hull quite easily. Maybe it's just hungry. It's formless.
How did I get blasted?
Carelessness.
Thanks. Now what do we do?
It's moving.
Where?
Heading down the ship skeleton towards the starboard engine.
Sweet. Has it left the room on 49?
Affirmative.
I'm going down there.
I'm charging your blaster. Come on.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's,
It's eating through the ship, almost to the starboard engine. We need to stop it now.
Okay. I'm on my way.
Come back tomorrow for episode 4 of The Intruder. DVD is next. Almost there. Tom,
Yeah?
other way.
Right. You know what? Come with me. Go check it out. Hey, go check it out. Oh man, this thing's got a lot bigger.
I can't feel that door.
I don't think I can stop this thing.
Tom? Tom? Come back tomorrow for episode 5 of The Intruder. DZ is